Here I've got Neffos X20 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch off your phone. To do it, tap on power key and then select power off. Click on power off icon one more time to confirm and wait a couple of seconds. As only the device is switched off, you have to tap on power key all together with volume up key and hold both keys all together. And once you see Neffos logo, you can leave them and just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, now we are in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So it's time to locate wipe cache partition feature. Here it is, click on power key and then select yes. And this is it. As you can see, cache wipe complete. So now we can go back to the normal mode. Let's click on reboot system now, tap on power key and wait a few seconds until you are back in the normal mode so you can use your device as usually. And this is it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode so you can use your device as usually. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.